In our previous videos, we learned how to still the mind with samatha and how to see reality clearly through vipassana. But as you walk deeper into the path of mental freedom, you will face the most powerful, addictive, and deeply rooted force inside human biology. The Buddha called it Raga, which means lust, intense attachment, and sensual craving. Raga is the ultimate evolutionary trap. It is the primitive drive that fast-tracks dopamine to your brain, making you obsess over physical bodies, material objects, and sexual desires. When Raga takes over, your wisdom is blinded, your focus is shattered, and you become a slave to your instincts. To break free from this evolutionary matrix, the Buddha handed us a profound psychological weapon. It is called Raga Prahana Bhavana, which is the meditation to dissolve lust and attachment. Today, we decode the exact practical guide to master this ancient mental discipline. To defeat Raga, we must understand how it operates. Raga survives on a single illusion, the illusion of subha, which means beauty, perfection, and permanence. Your mind looks at a physical body or a material object, isolates a tiny, attractive part, and projects an illusion that the entire thing is beautiful and desirable. The antidote to this illusion is asubha bhavana, which is the meditation on the unattractive and impermanent nature of matter. It is not about creating hatred or disgust toward the world. It is about looking at reality with the objective eyes of a biological scientist. Here is how you practice this meditation step by step. Find a quiet space, sit comfortably with your spine straight, and calm your mind with a few deep breaths. Now, bring to your mind the specific physical form or object that triggers your lust or intense attachment. Instead of looking at the surface level, use your mind like a surgical scalpel to perform a mental autopsy. This is the practice of Kayagata Sati, which is mindfulness of the body. Divide the object of your desire into its core biological elements. Look past the skin. The Buddha taught us to visualize the 32 parts of the body. Mentally strip away the outermost layer. What is underneath the skin? It is flesh, muscles, blood vessels, and fat. Visualize the internal organs, the heart-pumping fluids, the lungs expanding, the liver, the kidneys, and the digestive tract filled with waste. Ask your mind a deeply logical question. Which specific part of this internal anatomy are you lusting after? Is it the skull? Is it the blood? Is it the stomach? When you look at a body through the lens of anatomy, the sexual illusion completely evaporates. You realize that physical beauty is merely a skin-deep illusion created by evolutionary biology to trick your brain into reproduction. The second stage of Raga Prahana is Navasivatika, which is meditating on the ultimate fate of all physical matter. Take the body or object you are deeply attached to and fast forward time by 50, 70, or 100 years. Visualize that body lying in a cemetery, lifeless and cold. See it undergo the natural laws of decay. The skin turns pale, the tissues dissolve, the elements return to the earth, leaving behind nothing but a dry, white skeleton. Eventually, even those bones crumble into dust and mix with the soil. This is the absolute destiny of every beautiful face, every athletic body, and every luxury object you will ever chase. They are all temporary combinations of 4 basic elements: earth, water, fire, and wind. They arise for a brief moment, decay, and return to the universe. When you practice this meditation consistently, something incredible happens to your brain chemistry. The intense dopamine spike, triggered by Raga, begins to drop. The subconscious mind stops being fooled by superficial appearances. You transition from a state of frantic addiction to a state of profound emotional cool. Raga Prahana Bhavana does not mean you cannot appreciate art, music, or human connections. It means you are no longer enslaved by them. You can look at a beautiful person or a valuable object, appreciate its temporary form, but remain completely unshakable inside. You break the chains of craving. Do not let your biological programming dictate your peace of mind. Master your vision, look beneath the surface, and unlock the supreme freedom of an unattached consciousness.